Today we're going to learn how to use a cat paw knot. It can be used on a hook or on a loop.
Alright, you grab your rope, you want to get it towards the middle, you make yourself a pretzel, grab the ends and turn it once, twice, put it together, and there's your loop. Give it a little tug and put it on your hook. And there's your cat paw. This is a great knot because it becomes undone really easy. Next, we're going to do a cat paw on a loop. First, grab the middle of the line and put it through the loop and pull your rope through. Give yourself some slack for the next step. Grab both ends and bring it through the bottom and pull them all the way out. Give it a little tug. And there you have a cat paw knot on a loop.
This time we're going to start at the end of the rope.
Give yourself 2 loops on each end. Wrap it around 3 times. Put up loops together. Get the short end and put it through one of the loops and put it on the hook.